by Phil Collins.
Come stop your crying and you'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. Oh, I'm so small, you seem so strong. Now you're told you say I'm wrong. This far between us can't be broken. I will need you, don't you cry. You'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. You'll be in my heart. No matter what they say, you'll be here in my heart. Always. Why can't we understand the way we feel? They just don't trust what they can't explain. I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all.